topic of your significant other, do you feel unsafe around him?
Yes, I do. But I think he might be using me.
Using you? But why?
To be a commercial face. Someone he can say he has in his life that is squeaky clean.
Interesting.
He's an ex-soldier, and to me, he has had some run-ins with the law. And I feel like he's going back to his wayward ways now.
Pardon me, Dr. Perez, but and correct me if I'm wrong, but months ago, you were willing to give up your assignment here to protect this relationship. And now here you are, giving me personal information about your fiance?
Boyfriend. He never saw it fit to ask for my hand in marriage.
And this is not a classic case of a woman scorned.
No. This is a case of a woman who wants to do the right thing. I took 2 oaths in my life. One, as a doctor, to save lives. And if I couldn't, I would give the dead a voice. And the second one is a personal oath of mine, to bring criminals to justice in any way that I can.
And you are ready to give up your fairy tale romance for your oaths?
I never had a fairy tale romance, Mr. M. It had many flaws, but as a woman, I had to cover it up. I didn't want it to look bad. But now, it's about me.
And what exactly would you have me do about this?
You don't have to do anything, Mr. M. The law will take care of him if he's doing anything illegal. My real reason for coming here today is to ask you to reinstate me as the agency's chief pathologist.
Are you sure about this, doctor?
Yes, Mr. M. I have to do what's right. And I saw results while I was here. Too many people leave this life, and there's no justice for them. I want to help in any way that I can.
Based on what you are saying about your boyfriend's potential shady dealings, what happens if he becomes suspicious of you? Aren't you afraid that he might come at you?
At this point, I don't know where our relationship is going, so I'm not worried. I just need to keep doing what makes me happy.
Well, I'd be lying if I didn't say that your work here has been exemplary. Made a hell of a difference. But I don't want you to be working in an atmosphere that makes you uncomfortable.
I'm ready to go, if you'll have me.
For the life of me, I can't find any reason why I wouldn't want to take you back.
Good. Thanks for taking me back, Mr. M.
Thanks for coming back, Doc. You are missed.
You're welcome. So when do I report?
The minute, no, the second suspicious body turns up.
Okay. I'll see you soon then.
Okay.
Oh, Mr. M. Did you get all the equipment I asked you for? Or did you put a stop order on it when I resigned?
Everything you requested will be here the minute you turn up for duty.
Great. Have a good day, Mr. M.
Yeah. You too, Dr. Perez.
Did he bite?
Hook, line, and sinker.
Nicely done, babe. Nicely done. Yo, Daily. Mole has been successfully embedded. Take it from here. I think it's gonna plant them soon.